Hi there, today in this session I will discuss about relational operators. Basically, relational operators are used to check for relations like equality, greater than, and less than. They return the Boolean result after the comparison, and extensively used in looping statements or the conditional statements, but today I will tell you with the help of ITఅbba so that can use it in my little implementations anywhere. These are the 6 operators. First is equals to, second is not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equals to. Let me help you out with the practical implementation what it returns. As I said, it will return the Boolean result either the true if the condition satisfies or the false if the condition does not satisfy. Consider I have integer number that is a, integer number that is 3, an integer number that is 7. Here I write system out, whether the number is greater than with number or not. I'll just compare here whether the number is greater than number or not, it will return either true or false. Similarly, I can check for less than whether the number is less than number or not. Number is greater than and equals to number not. Next is to check whether the number is less than or equals to number or not. Next is to check whether the number is equivalent to number, or this time I can check for number, and another one is to check whether the number is not equals to number. This is how you can compare with the help of relational operators. This is numbered and also this is not numbered, this is number and this is numbered. Now let's just check this up by running what it returns. It says that numbered is greater than number, which is false because it is greater than number, which is true. Numbered is less than number, obviously this is false. Number is greater than or equals to, obviously it is greater than but not equal to. Numbered is less than or equal to not either number less than or equals to, that's what it is false. Numbered is not equals to number, it is false. Numbered is not equal to number, it is true, because numbered equals to numbered is false. This is how your relational operators exactly evoke in Java. I hope the concept is pretty clear to all of you. See you in the next session. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.